Today we are making restaurant-style butter chicken in just one pot, rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious. In a bowl, add red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and ginger garlic paste. Add a little water to make a thick batter-like mix. Add 300 grams chicken pieces, coat well, and marinate. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the chicken until it cooks in a medium flame. Remove the chicken and keep aside. In the same pan, add butter and let it melt. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent. Add tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Now add garlic paste, salt, garam masala, chili powder, sugar, and cashew nuts. Add some water and cook until the tomatoes and cashews are completely softened. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Blend into a smooth paste. Strain it through a fine sieve. Back into the pot. This gives you a silky, restaurant-quality gravy. Place the strained gravy back on the flame. Once it starts boiling, add crushed Kasuri methi. Stir in butter and fresh cream for a rich texture. Add the fried chicken pieces and let it simmer for a few minutes. Finally, pour into a serving dish and garnish with butter, crushed kasuri methi, and fresh cream. And there you have it, restaurant-style butter chicken made in one pot. Creamy, buttery, and perfect with naan or rice. Thanks for watching.